Ahlan, hello. We're going to learn today about the preposition في. في primarily means in. And we're using in somehow different from the English. For example, I would say I'm in the house if I would translate it to very literal English from Arabic. I would say I am in 7 o'clock. I am in a journey. I am in the bus. I am in the car. I am in a very awkward situation. So let's see with examples how to use في, which means in and holds the meaning of involving in or into in Arabic. So using it with time, I would say في الساعة السابعة. With place, I would say أنا في البيت. أنا في السيارة. With situations, أنا في موقف محرج. We use it with trips, journeys, sort of things like that. أنا في رحلة عمل. And frequently we can use في to give some reason. For example, I would say دخل السجن في سرقة. So those are most of the cases when we are using في or how we use in Arabic. See you soon.